This 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 259 FKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, DVD player, refrigerator, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, leveling jacks, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 259 FKDS is 6,494 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.